How to change password in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can simply change the password. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this three line icon. Tap on this three line icon. Here on the right top you can see account. Tap on account. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called login and security. Tap on login and security. So these are the profile settings that are available. Here you can see different login and security options. Now here on the bottom you'll be able to see password. Simply tap on this edit button. Now here you can edit and enter a new password. So a new password can be entered now after you have your current password, and at last simply tap on save changes and you'll be all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.